That's a cool old stump. It's got the springboard notches from the old timer loggers, 120 years ago probably. That's really cool. I love seeing these old stumps. Oh, go across. Come on, bud, this way. Oh, he wants to go up on top of every rock he sees. He loves to look out. So he's going down below. Come on, bud. You can come up here. That'll cool him off. Good boy, buddy. Right. Well, I got to an absolutely beautiful spot. But then I realized I went way too far up the trail. I passed it. I think I found the trail before, but it didn't look like it went anywhere but to a cliff. So let's go back and make sure that doesn't go down. Let's let the dogs cool off a little bit though. It's hot up here. Oh, bud. Here, sweetie. They're doing good. Buddy's getting a little hot. Alright. Let's go up there. Let's go see if there's an easier trail. Look at this. Look at that in there. That's all pyrite. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's go. Go this way. Come on. Let's go. Can you make it? I don't think you can make that one. I don't think you can make that one. You make that? You make it? I bet you'll make it if I go up there. I got his weight. Okay. That's where I was just at, right on the top of that waterfall. Okay, we were talking about some sort of trail that veers off. I couldn't find anything, so we'll just make our own trail. I can see that other people are coming through here too, but I don't think this is the actual trail. Unless just nobody's used it in years and years and years, but I doubt that. I hear people down here. Oh, hey. I see people down there walking. The real trail must be down there. Huh. Let's go check it out. Yeah, there's a bunch of people down here. We made it to the gulch. It's just the beginning. Let's try and get up into the shade up there. Here's just the first little tiny bit of mineralization besides all that. What was it? Pyrite that I found. All right, let's keep going up. And then we'll start digging around. Look at that, that's cool. Yeah, see, that's really cool. Something down there. Yeah, I want to get up in the shade. It's hot up here. Alright, still climbing. Saw this. Bunch of really cool stuff in there. Heck yeah. Hopefully we'll find something real good today. Alright, we made it pretty far up here. Not tremendously far. I'm gonna go a lot farther. But I found a shady spot and the dogs are happy. And I found a spot I can dig for a little bit. I've been finding a couple of things. I just wanted to test it to see if there's anything here before I start recording. But first couple shovelfuls I didn't get much. But they're getting a little bigger and bigger as I go. Garnet, some crystals. This is a cool little pocket. I'll have to dry it out, but there's a little garnet in there. Oh yeah, so here's what I'm doing. I'm just kind of loosening stuff up, trying to go straight down. I wish I would have had a gold pan with me. That'd make things a lot easier. And I'm taking some scoops like this. And I'm throwing it up on the rock. And then I'm just kind of going through it. And spread it all out real flat. There's a little piece of crystal there. There's something there. Got a little piece of amethyst I saw. Maybe not, maybe it was just quartz, but maybe it had something underneath it. There's a little garnet right there. There's a couple pieces of crystal. Look at that, is that a little piece of crystal cola right there? Oh, a teeny tiny one? I think it is. Whatever it is, it's pretty cool. Try and find a bigger piece of that. I don't think I see anything big anyway. A piece of jasper? There's a cool little piece of quartz. Alright. See if I can rough some more up down there. I see a garnet already. All right, we have come quite a ways up the canyon. I can't even see how far we've come up. And this is what's above me. I wanted to go up there today, but since I missed the trail down to the creek and goofed around just trying to find the place, I don't think I'll go up there today. Plus, I don't think Sweetie will want to go up there. Buddy, on the other hand, he would go. He would go up there, but anyway, I think I'm just going to try and dig in the creek right here and just see if I can find anything. See, there's all sorts of this little stuff and this stuff everywhere up here. And see, there's another one. But yeah, let's see if we can find anything real nice. Next time I'm definitely going to bring a gold pan. I think that'll be a big difference. Alright, well, I'm going to clear this out, and if I find anything, I'll let you know. I've been finding a bunch of little stuff. And I came across this. It's pretty cool. I think that's chrysocolla. A little bit. I'm just gonna kind of walk around a little bit and see if I can see any color or any flashes. It is getting very warm up here. That guy. That's pretty cool. Alright. Maybe I'll search these sloughs right here. You see a lot of stuff sparkling. But find something big. Oh, here's something down here. A few pieces. pretty cool. Lots of other people been scouring through this. Alright, I searched around, found some pretty decent stuff. I don't know if I'm bringing that one back. It's a long walk. It is really cool though. And check this out. I think I found some amethyst in this. I don't know, I'll have to look at that closer and see what it really is, but look at those are pretty. Alright, well, let's keep looking on our way down, and hopefully we find the find of the day on the way out, like oftentimes happens. So I'm gonna put my phone away because it's pretty steep. I already fell down a little bit of a cliff, but not real bad. I stuck it though. I landed on my feet. Anyway, I'm by myself. Shouldn't push the luck any more than I already have. Let's go. Alright, we're up by that waterfall. We came from all the way down there. I've probably got 60 pounds of rocks in my backpack. So I sure hope I don't slip and fall. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Look at these flowers. Look at all these flowers. Check this out. Those guys. I love the Cascade Mountains. I just got back to the parking lot, got in the Jeep. I picked up a bunch of rocks on the way back. My phone died, so I couldn't record it, but it was about the best. It was the best one of the whole day. I'll show it to you when I get home. I always make the mistake of putting way too many rocks in my backpack. Alright, we are back at home. This is some of the stuff that I found. I just threw it in my pack just to get home. I threw a lot of it in there. The walk was longer than I remembered. It wasn't worth it until I got home. Now that I'm home and comfortable again, it was worth it. But anyway, some of this stuff, I mean, it's just chock full of all sorts of cool stuff. So I'm going to sit here and break it apart and see if I can find anything good in there. And then also, this guy is just packed full of stuff. I'm going to throw this in the saw. I'm going to cut that in half and we'll see what that looks like cut. I mean, it's pretty tough. I smacked it a couple times, so it's pretty hard rock. This stuff is not hard at all, but this one is. So let's cut that. Look at that. That's got Some really, really nice stuff in there. Now let's cut a chunk off of that. We'll go right up the middle. Let's see what that looks like.